Welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss the following topics. What is an array in programming and how is it used? Declaring arrays, assigning values to arrays, accessing all array element. As you know that in previous videos we use a variable to store the single value which take a lot of memory and make the program complicated. Example. Here we have assigned the 42 to the variable which means it's stored in the variable a. Here we quote the variable a which mean we print the value in the variable a. It's just only save the single value in variable. To store more values we need more variables, so here we need an array to store values. So let's start the arrays. An array is a variable which help us to store multiply values or elements of the same type. Let's see it in more detail. Similar data types values mean if we have declare an array with integer then we can only store integers values in it not character like. Here we see how we represents an array. Here data type is any either its integers character float or bool. In the place of name of array we can write any name like a or b. It's the length of the array which tell us how much data we want to store. Here we have an example. Here we have an array having name with a and data type is integer having maximum array length 5 having values 58317. So here 5 boxes mean we have taken 5 boxes space to store 5 values. So here we are using the data type integer which mean each box occupy 4 byte space. Here we have 5 different values in 5 different boxes. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the location or index of the 5 integers values we store in an array. A0, A1, A2, A3, A4. Remember in arrays index always start from 0. Declaring the array. Declaring mean what type of data we want to store. Here we have a program. In this program, we declare an integer array named array with a size of 5. The array is declared by placing the number of elements inside square brackets after the array name. The above program does not assign any values to the array, so the array will contain garbage values by default. If you want to initialize the array with specific values, you can do so by providing a list of values in curly braces after the array declaration. Like this. Let's see a practical example using dev C++. First we write the basic structure of the program. Here we write the structure. Now first we declare an array. Here we give the max length 6 to the array. And tell the array to store only 6 integers values. So this is declaration of an array. Now see the initialization of an array. Initialization is simply giving of values to array. So here we have assigned the 5 values to the array 87865. Accessing the element in array. So if we want to use value in any location or index, we simply use it as. Here we have an array having 5 elements. Here the location of every value. Let's see an example of it.
Here we initialize the array with values. When we print the value of 0 index, you can see the output value is same as present in 0 index. So here we find sum of 2 index values. So you can see the output of value of 4 plus 6 is equal to 11. So that of this video, subscribe my channel.